Something else that we can do is format the bar on the right hand side here. So there's two ways to do it. So you can either double click on the bar itself, so that will change the bar, only that bar, or you can just select the line and put format bar, so that will also only format the bar itself. But you can also do a format bar style, so that would format all the bars with the exception obviously of the one that you've already formatted, and that would be overwritten. But if we go to the bar styles, format bar styles, it gives you the tasks, for instance, here, give you the milestones, the summary, and you can format each one individually. So the task, for instance, let's say I don't want to see this this blue here. I want instead to see it in this color, and I want also, so that was for the coloring. You can change the beginning of the bar, the end of the bar. You can change the text. So at the moment we have the resource name on the right hand side. I don't really like it. What I want to see is just the finish time. So you just select your, you can select your field, put finish, and on the left I want the name of the task. So if you're not sure about which field, then go through them. There are quite a lot of them. There's a lot of information. I think the name is quite intuitive. So when I press OK, now what it does is done, change the color of the bars, and if put the name task on the left hand side. So if you don't like this format, if it's too bold, then you can go back to the text style this time and change it. So that's something you can do as well. So there's a lot of formatting that is available for you to have a look at. What I found is sometimes when you make this Gantt chart, readable enough, you do not even need this part. Let's say you go to a steering committee or meeting with management, and they don't want to see all this. Well, as long as there's the dates and the key tasks, and that's all they're interested in. So this way I think that looks good. You don't even need to show them this part here. So that's what we'll see now actually. How do we present this? How do we export that?